Hey guys, and welcome to my coding channel. Thank you for joining me today, and we're gonna talk about why you will never master programming, unfortunately, and why I will never master programming. That has to do with the fact that our field is always changing, guys. The way you did websites just a couple of years ago is no longer valid today. When I learned JavaScript in order to create dynamic websites, I learned jQuery as the main library for creating websites and hiding and showing different elements on a website and animating, all of that. However, today we have Angular, we have React, we have Ember, we have all these new frameworks that make a professional jQuery developer completely obsolete in today's ecosystem. So if you mastered jQuery back in the days, and haven't learned the new frameworks, I wouldn't call you a professional web developer, because today we'll create websites with Angular, React, Ember, all of these new frameworks. That is the way we do web development today, and they make development easier once you've learned them. However, I would say that Angular and React have a pretty high learning barrier. You have to invest some time and some energy in order to learn these frameworks, guys. But once you learn them, then I would say it's a lot easier to create dynamic and complex websites with those tools compared to jQuery. I mean, jQuery would be a nightmare to do all this complicated web development as you can do with React and Angular. So that's a very clear example, guys, why you will not, if you feel that you master something today, it's not a fact that your skills will be useful tomorrow or a week from now. So it's very important for you to have an inner drive to always learn the new frameworks, the new tools, and be curious, because you will lose your edge if you have any edge today. For example, I feel that I have an edge in iOS development. Today, I've done iOS development for many years, and I've been a professional consultant for 3 years. And so I feel that I master Swift and iOS and that field. However, I'm very well aware that this will change in a couple of years, because iOS platform is always developing. I mean, and we have a very clear example just this and past year when Swift 3 came out and it replaced Swift 2, and you as a Swift 2 developer had to learn new stuff in order to program in Swift 3. In comparison, this change from Swift 2 and Swift 3 to Swift 3 is very minor change compared to jQuery, to React and Angular. However, you still had to put time and learn Swift 3 and convert your old projects from Swift 2 to Swift 3. So it's another example why I will not have my iOS edge and feel that I master iOS in the future. And who knows, will iOS even be the main mobile platform? And I know that Android is bigger and all of that, but in Sweden I would say iOS is the main mobile platform. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Do you think you will master programming? Leave your opinions in the comments below. And if you're completely new to this channel, and you love coding and you love programming and technology, then I think you should subscribe, and you will find this channel interesting, because I myself am a programmer. I've been programming since I was 9, and this is a channel for programmers. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.